Hey guys, it's Taz over here at Taz Talks. Once again, I'm bringing you another sound product. This one is from SEVENTOUR. It's under the seat, 10-inch self-powered subwoofer. I've read a lot of reviews on this, and it's supposed to be a really decent subwoofer for what it is. These low-profile subwoofers don't always come out, the heaviest bass, and from what I understand, this one does pretty good. I also picked it because it is a little badass looking. I like it. Either way, let's get into it.
Taz Talks.
Alright guys, the 10-inch subwoofer, self-contained subwoofer, self-powered subwoofer from SEVENTOUR. Let's go ahead and open it up and take a look here. Oh yeah, it's a 1000-watt model too. They also got an 800-watt model. They also got an 8-inch model and I think a 6-inch model too. Either way, let's go ahead and open this up, see what she looks like. Excuse the lighting, I'm still working on that. So I'll try to pull the shadows out of it as much as I can. So, pull that out. Give me a second here while we get a box of gear, accessories. Let's see what that's about. Look at that. We got wires. Nice. So we got a fuse block. Looks like a remote control. There's your fuse block right there. And that almost looks like a crossover. We'll dig into it further. And then your basic wires needed. Ground wire, power wire. Looks like your amp on wire. And a few crimp connections there too. Nice. Real nice. Stuff this stuff off to the side for a second. Ah, look. Literature. You can't buy something without having some good literature. There we go, SEVENTOUR. So nice. Oops, there we go. Sorry about that, guys. I just started learning to watch the camera feed, not just stick things in front of the camera. Yeah. Kind of a music guide thing going on there. Let's go ahead and get this box out of the way. Nice. Okay, there's the one styrofoam cap off. Alright, that is kind of cool looking. Okay, we'll set this down and I'm going to back away so you guys can see it. And there you go. That's definitely more than nifty. Let's see, SEVENTOUR. Okay. Now, from what I understand, there are LEDs underneath the spider here and it does light up, and look at that. That's metal. That's a metal casing. But yeah, this does light up to the beat of the music. And then, oops, there we go. Let's see if I can a little bit there. There we go. Well guys, I just opened up to my recoil speakers the other day. Now we've got this subwoofer opened up. I think tomorrow we're going to spend some time putting all this into the avalanche and give her a test run and see how she goes. So guys, 10-inch, 1000 watt, self-powered, under the seat amp for subwoofer and amp from SEVENTOUR. Thanks guys. See you again next time.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. As always, please do hit that like and subscribe. Share this video or any of our videos with your friends and family. Thanks again. We got more coming real soon and look forward to seeing you.